How's it going? This is Badtuna Bob. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, I just sold my DJI FPV drone. Why? Because I already have the Autel Evo 2 Pro and I have the Skydio 2, and my wife said you got too many drones. I sold it because I wanted to get a more portable drone because I've been traveling this past year, spontaneous travels. Riding my bike, going to the beach, and then we did take a trip up north, up in Washington State, and there were areas where it was just difficult to set up my drone, especially with my Evo 2 Pro, because I have a different setup there. I have a, I'm using a tripod. I have a bigger display that's attached to the controller, and then the Skydio 2, that's more of an action drone. It can take cinematic type 4K videos and photos, but it's not as good as the Autel Evo 2 Pro. The DJI FPV drone was a good addition. However, I didn't use it as much as I should, so I sold it, and I got, wait for this, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now you ask, why did I pick this one up? Well, because I wanted something that's fast to set up and fly, and very portable, and obviously this is very portable. Portable to fit in your pocket or a small backpack. And this drone fits the bill. So let's see what's in the box. Well, okay, let's see what's in the box. And if you're shopping for a Mini 3 Pro, I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos. This is just one of many, so I'm not going to go into detail, what you call unboxing review. But along with the DJI Mini Pro, I got the FlyMore kit. As you can see right here, the FlyMore kit. It has the case, 2 batteries, the hub, charger, and a couple of cables and extra propellers. So, and if you notice, which is kind of ironic, here's the case with the batteries, right? And then here's the actual drone with the smart controller. And if you can see the size of the case with the batteries to this box, amazing, huh? Well, that tells you how small the drone as well as the controller are. So anyway, again, let's go see what's in the box. I'll open it up, and first thing you get is the drone. Open that up. Yeah, there it is right there. Pretty small and kind of very light. Very light. Feels kind of toyish, if you want to call it at that. And the battery looks like, yeah, the battery's in it too. Okay, so you got that, the drone, and then take this out, the smart controller. Alright, got the plastic out, and there's the controller right there. Where are the sticks? Oh, the sticks are here. Just take it out and you install it. This feels pretty good. I like the feel. Of it. And display, I'm gonna have to check that out later. Alright. Anything else? And then inside here we have what? Open it up. Manuals. What else? Cables. More propellers. So I got 2 sets of extra propellers and then more cable. So that's what's in the box of the DJI Mini Pro and RC controller. Let's put it off to the side. Now, if you want to buy the DJI FlyMore kit, right there, let's see what's in the box here. Alright, so what you got is the case. Picked up. I don't know why I'm moaning. Okay, so there's the case. Small case. And I'm sure everything's inside the case. That includes the battery, charger, and again, figure this out. Jeez, what's so difficult about opening a case? Not that hard.
Alright, so we got, let's see, this is the battery charger. I want to open it up real quick. Alright, so you got the battery charger or hub and 2 batteries. 1, 2, and then there's 1 in the drone, so I'll have 3 batteries in total. Okay. And what else? A manual. Mostly for the battery. Okay. And again, what I like about this drone, it's only 2.49 grams. That's what I like about the drone. I don't have to register it if I don't want to. Unless I'm using this as a commercial pilot. I do have my Part 107. If I use this drone as a commercial pilot, I need to register it. So, anything else in this bag of goodies? Let's see what's in the zip bag here. Okay, so yeah, you got your propellers, more propellers, and a cable. That's about it. Okay, that was my quick review of the unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro along with the FlyMore kit. So now I'm ready to charge up the batteries and do some firmware update to the drone, and then hopefully I can fly it this afternoon or tomorrow, and I will probably take a couple of videos, short videos of my first flight. So if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.